Hi guys, welcome to DIY Solutions UK. Today I have a Honda Jazz 2016 model car key, and that's a 2-button one, and I'm just going to replace the battery on it. It's fairly easy to replace the battery on it. You need to one battery and one this straight screwdriver flathead. Just place it here, turn it clockwise or anti-clockwise, and from this side as well. And now this is split in two pieces, and that's the CR2032 battery. And take the screwdriver again, place it under here, and this battery gonna come out. So guys, get the new battery, and I'm gonna put the link in a description so you can buy a new battery online, and it's really cheap. And if you're gonna click on the link, you will go straight to the product, and it's a less chances for mistake. And thus you have to place it here, the new battery, and push it. It will in place properly. Now take this back cover, put it there, just apply a wee bit pressure all sides and check. See guys, if you like my videos and if you think they are helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like it and share it. Thank you.